say Java methods and Java ArrayList. Okay. In the last two classes, we discussed Java methods. Basically, Java methods two types. One is Java predefined methods, another Java user-defined methods. Day before yesterday, first we discussed Java user-defined methods. Next, predefined methods. Predefined methods incomplete. Today, I will complete it. And one more topic, Java ArrayList. Java arrays, or you can say arrays in Java. We already discussed Java ArrayList. It is a dynamic data structure in Java. Array, static data structure. Okay. Basically, we have four important categories of Java methods. Vijaya, tell me, Vijaya, four important categories of Java methods. First two we discussed. Third one also we started yesterday.
Yes, sir. String methods, number methods, character methods, and array methods.
Good. String methods. Next, number
methods.
Number methods. Next, third one, character methods.
And array methods.
Yes, last one. These see, other categories also there, but our test automation point of view, these four categories important. Next, array methods, operations on arrays.
Array methods.
Okay. In this third one, incomplete. First two we discussed completely. Third one, character methods. Under this character methods, we discussed two methods. What are the two methods? One is L capital, is letter. Next, is
digit.
Digit. Open and close parenthesis. Next, come to third one. Is lowercase. Is lower. All of you put mute. Use lowercase. You can easily guess the functionality of this method. It checks if the letter, it checks if the character is lowercase or not. See, it checks if the character is lowercase character or not, and it returns Boolean results. See, and it returns logical result. You know what is logical result? True or false. Okay. Come to the example. You can use variable or direct letter. See example. Come Vijaya, guide me. Suppose char a equal to, suppose, capital Z. Next, char b equal to a Write display statement, SYSO control space enter. What is that one? Character class. Character is primitive data type, not belongs to objects. Character. Character dot spell mistake.
Is letter.
Character dot type I select is letter. Is lowercase. Is lowercase. Suppose A. Just a minute. Just a minute. Suppose B, or you can use direct values. Direct values. Suppose single quote A, next, single quote Z, next, single quote 1. Now tell me the outputs, Vijaya.
First one is true.
First one is true. Next.
Is lowercase. No.
First one is true. I think.
Sorry, sir. False. Yes,
false.
sir.
Second one.
Second one is true.
True. Third one.
Third one is false.
False. Fourth one.
Fourth one is true.
True. Again, last one also.
False.
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 It's number. Run the program. Just a minute. False, true. False, true, false. False, true, false, true, false. Just a minute. Next, come Pavani. Pavani, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Guide me. Next method is uppercase. See, fourth one is uppercase. Upper C capital case, open and close parenthesis. What is the functionality? It checks. Okay, Pavani, put mute for some time. It checks if the character is uppercase value or not. I'm going to use same example. Just a minute. Pavani, same example. Just I'm going to change this method to uppercase. Now tell me the outputs, Pavani.
First one is true, sir.
First one is true, okay.
Second false.
Second one false. Third one again true. Just opposite. False.
False.
Again false. True, false. True, false. False. Run the program. True, false. True, false. False. Okay. These are the important character methods. Next, array methods. Come Vijay. Come Vijay.
Sir.
Fourth category, array methods. Methods and properties. First, I am going to discuss one small one, property, that is not method, but usage same, object dot property. See, what is that one? Length. Just a minute. Length property. What is the length property? It returns length of an array. Small letters. Length property, same symbol. What is the functionality? Returns length of an array. Observe Vijay, declare one integer type array. You know how to declare integer type array. Just a minute. Suppose int square brackets, suppose array1 equals to, enter, assign some values. Suppose 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Close curly braces, semicolon. Next, find the length. SYSO control space enter. Array 1 dot type L, length. What is the output, Vijay? Hello. What is the output?
Sir, it is 14.
Vijaya, what is the output?
5.
5. Length 5, index starts from 0. 5. Don't confuse Vijay.
4.
Okay, sir.
Who is asking 4?
Start from index 0, sir.
0 to 4. 4th is last index, but size is 5 only. Length is 5 only.
Okay, sir.
Length is 5 only, but index starts from 0 to n minus 1. N minus 1 means 5 minus 1 in this scenario. Next, come Vijaya. Copy string. Not copy. Copy we discussed already in the arrays chapter. Okay, copy string, copy array to a string means print array. Using for loop also we can print array, but easy method are also there. Print an array. Observe Vijaya, print an array. Go to example. Suppose create a string type array. String suppose array 1 equal to, open curly braces, double quotes, Selenium. Next, UFT. Next, rational functional tester, RFT. Next, silk test. Next, load runner, single load runner, close curly braces, semicolon.
Sir, one question.
Just a minute. Here square brackets, syntax
Yeah, that's
error.
what I want. Yes, that's what I want to say.
Okay, na Jyotirmai?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay.
I want to say.
Anyhow, it is not allowing me. Syntax
I
error.
know. That's what.
Okay.
I know, sir. That's what I saw that it is missing.
Okay, cool, Jyotirmai, and good. Your observation is good. Continue. Now, I want to capture this array values into single unit array string variable. Here, data string type, string variable. Suppose integer type, that is different. Observe, Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
Take one string type variable. Suppose string. Suppose str equals to arrays. Predefined class also there. Dot two strings. Predefined class. Two strings. Two string. Multiple methods are there. Why multiple methods? That we will discuss in methods overloading and overriding. Day after tomorrow chapter, polymorphism. What is our array? Array 1. Array 1. Next, suppose if you want to print that one, SO control space enter, str. Run the program. Observe, it captured all values and make it as single string. This is method arrangement. We cannot argue why it is not printing line by line, why all values are single string. If you want values one by one, you write the logic. Observe.
Sir,
Sir,
I have one question.
Tell me.
Sir, yesterday we did some user-defined methods. In that we had we used to give data type variable name is equals to like whatever values we need to give, sir. And while printing time SYSO print variable name dot and used to get in context help like concatenate substring string length, sir. So like how do we know like we need to use that, and how do we know like we need to use like characters? So like last example you showed us about character DOS, that is you told primitive type character. So when is that we need to use that, and when is that we need to use this?
You need to remember. Character? No other way, no guidance. You need to remember required things. If any other methods required for your project, you need to get the knowledge from other team members or internet or other resources. You need to remember. No that type of mechanism providing required concepts directly. You need to remember. Here, character. Why we are using character? Tell me. Vijay, why we are using character?
We are just trying to check. Sir, why we are using character? Because
we need to check only character is primitive data type. It is not object. That's why we are taking the predefined class character help. Okay. Here, array is object. We are using array directly. And one more thing, in this example, good question. Arrays. One class also we are using predefined class. Why? In this on this array we can use some methods and properties only. If this predefined class, some other methods available. What are the other methods? You need to learn that one. No guidance, no help for that. What is the problem?
Got it, sir. Like, if you'd like to tell us, like in case if we can we use character also, sir? Like, in previous example, sir, we use character as a primary type. Can we also use to check, write a sentence and check whether how many A's are there, how many B's are there, like that, sir? It will
How many?
for like this also, sir, or only for
how many?
Like if you types, like if you type character sentence, sir, like Java is a platform independent. Like how many A's are there?
How many? Yes.
P's are there? A, sir, in that sentence.
This one?
No, sir. Like Java is a program, sir. Means Java, Java, A2 in Java, sir, is IS, no A. A3, 3 A's. Platform, PLA, A5, T, O, R. So, like that, sir, it is useful in that way, sir, this character. So, check each and every.
That is not relevant to our. For that, you need to suppose how many A's are there in Java word. You need to write the logic for that. No direct method. Hello?
Sir, just trying to understand. So, just ask, sir, like in what context we need to use these user-defined types.
User-defined types. So, suppose if you want, and one more thing. Actually, this character methods and array methods not used in our test automation. Only string methods and number methods sometimes. Remaining methods useless. But in rare conditions you may use. That's why I am explaining. But at this point of time useless. What is the problem?
Okay, sir.
Useless. Actually, string methods okay. Why? Whenever we read data, suppose customer name or city or phone number, then computer program considers the data as string type data. Sometimes we compare strings. Sometimes we convert strings. So string methods important. Number methods a little bit important, but that character methods and array methods most of the time we don't use. Useless. But you may use in future. Just I am introducing. But these two categories are useless. What is the problem? And one more thing. Java flow control is there. Now Java flow control. In that we discussed 3 categories. One is Java conditional statements, loop statements. Java conditional, okay. We use Java conditional statements to insert verification points in our test cases and for error handling. Loop statements also okay. We use loop statements for multiple iterations in data-driven testing, etc. What about branching statements? We have 3 branching statements. What are the 3 branching statements? Break, continue, and return. Return statement we use in our user-defined methods. Methods with return value, that type. What about break and continue? I also explained break and continue, but for our test automation, those 2 branching statements useless. Any problem, Vijay?
No, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you.
And these arrays also useless, but maybe used in future. That's why I'm explaining. Concentrate. Now you come, Sirisha. Sirisha, are you there? Sirisha not responding. Jyotirmayi, you come, Jyotirmayi.
Hello, sir.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, Sirisha, I will call you later for next example. Jyotirmayi, you continue. We printed an arena using this one, single unit.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Yes.
if you want to,
Yes, sir.
actually these examples also not used for our test automation, but I'm explaining some extra programming concepts, concentrate.
Okay,
Say,
sir.
I want to print array elements one by one, not single string. Suppose Selenium, UFT, RFT, select test, load runner as single string, but I want one by one. For that, you need to write logic using for loop. Two possibilities available, Jyotirmai. Print,
Okay, sir.
print an array using, already we discussed this one, just concentrate, using for loop. This is one structure, and enhanced for loop. Okay na? First
Yes,
using
sir.
for loop. First using for loop.
For loop.
Just a minute. This is string. This is string. Okay
Okay,
na?
sir.
Just a minute. Suppose I am creating one more array. One more array. Observe integer type array.
Okay.
Array 2 equal to open 10, 20, 30, 40, close semicolon. Here also I missed square brackets.
Yes. Yes.
Now okay. Now print array 1 using for loop. Guide me, Jyotirmai. We already discussed this concept in arrays
Yes, sir.
chapter. Arrays chapter. For want to print first array. For index starting position using index.
Yeah.
Index
In
I equal
I
to,
equal to what?
pardon?
1,
Index starts from 0. Index starts
0.
from 0. Next, I less than equal to, I think not required in this scenario. Array
Then array
1 dot
array 1.
length is there na?
Yeah.
Length
Length
semicolon I plus plus. Okay, open curly braces. Now print that one. SYSO control space enter. Array.
Yeah.
Array 1 of
1.
I is index. I for index. Run the program. Selenium UFT RFT Selenium load runner. Okay na?
Oh. Okay, sir.
Earlier only single string, this time as multiple strings.
Multiple string.
Now
So, but we are not using array 2 anywhere here. Okay.
I am going to discuss that one only. You tell me.
Okay.
Print second array.
Second.
Print second array. For suppose int j equal to 0 semicolon j less than array 2 dot length, array 2 dot length semicolon j plus plus, open curly braces, close, next display SYSO control space enter, array 2 of index j. Now use one blank line. Suppose SYSO control space enter. Run the program. Observe. First string array, string type array, then integer type array. Okay, na?
Sir, one question here. We are using J variable in the for loop itself. We are initializing there.
Pardon?
The J variable, integer variable.
Yes. Then what is the problem? This is local variable.
No. Yeah, that is a local variable.
Local variable, block of the code. In code blocks, if block or for block or method blocks, we can use local variables, scope of local variables within those blocks only. Then what is the problem?
No problems. Just I am getting.
No problem. I is local variable for first for loop. J is local variable for second for loop. In the main program, no variable, only two arrays. Next, welcome. Vijay, print these two arrays using enhanced for loop. Same output in another way, Vijay Bhairappa, using enhanced for loop. Just remember the enhanced for loop syntax we already discussed. Okay, Sirisha, you come, Sirisha. Sirisha responding slowly today. Why I am not getting?
Hello, sir.
Okay. Same output using enhanced for loop, Sirisha. Print these two arrays using enhanced for loop. Okay. Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
Print these two arrays using enhanced for loop. This time general for loop. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
For
I
declaration.
Yes, sir.
What type of that one? First one, string type.
String
str colon next array name. Array one over open curly braces. Next
print
SYSO control space enter. str. Run the program. Same output na?
Yes, sir.
Next print that one. Before that I will give one blank line. Next for this type integer type na. Suppose
yes, sir.
int num colon array 2 open curly braces. Next print SYSO control space enter. Num. Observe Jyotirmai. Run the program. Did you get the concept, Pavani? Printing arrays using enhanced for loop. Last time using for loop. Okay na?
For loop. Okay, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. This first one using for loop. For means general for. Using for loop. The second one using enhanced for loop. Just a minute. Now come. Preeti Joshi, are you there? Preeti Joshi.
Yes, sir.
Now, and one more thing. Anyhow, these are not used in our Selenium nowadays. Maybe in future, just concentrate don't do R&D these things. Next example, observe third example, check if an array contains certain value or not. Here index required. Observe Preeti Joshi. I'm going to create one array. Suppose array already there. Okay. Suppose I'm take one variable boolean. Suppose boolean b equal to arrays. Arrays is predefined class. We use some methods on direct array object, some methods using this arrays predefined class. This class having large amount of methods as list. And one more thing, hundreds of methods available, thousands of methods available. We no need to learn all the methods. Nobody can learn all the methods. If you want to learn only Java methods, user defined and predefined, it takes nearly 1 year. Nobody can learn all the concept of any programming language. Try to learn required concepts. Okay. Whenever you want to use any rare feature or any unknown feature, that time get help from others or internet or any other source. Okay. Say array. What is the array name? Array 1. Option contains element. Observe Preeti Joshi. Suppose in our array hundreds of items, hundreds of elements available. You want to know that array not visible example. Otherwise, we are reading the data from external file. You don't know that UFT item is available or not in those hundreds of items. Using this method, you can method and option. This contains is option. You can check this one. If you want to display SYSO control space enter B. What is the expected output? Tell me, Preeti Joshi. Expected output?
B. It will contains true.
True. Yes, true. UFT available. Run the program. True. Just a minute, Preeti Joshi. Suppose C. Java. Last output is
False.
See, true or false are ARR. True or false are Java reserved words, not keywords, reserved words. True, false. Keyword means a key to the code. Reserved words only for specifying some purpose or specifying some value. Next, come Balasubramaniam, there are not. Balasubramaniam, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Come, guide for this method. Fourth one. Concatenate two arrays. Concatenate. Concatenate two arrays. Same type arrays, Jyotirmai. Different types not possible. Isn't it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, same type or different type? Same type. What will happen if it is different type? That is not correct. Data here, Java is programming language, implicit declaration of data types, so it won't support.
Okay.
Balasubramaniam, create two integer type arrays. Suppose int square brackets array 1 equal to open curly braces. Suppose 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, close curly braces, semicolon. Next, int square brackets array 2 equal to 5 comma 15, 25, 35, 45, like this. Just a minute. Semicolon. Now I want to concatenate these two. If you want to concatenate, you need to use another array, Balasubramaniam, another array, concatenate and store into another array. Say int square brackets combined array example equal to combined array equal to one more predefined class. So many predefined classes available. Arrays, array utils. You need to remember. Otherwise, limited use only. Array utils. What is the problem? ARR.
S, I think S is missing.
Just a minute. What is the problem? ARR. AY.
Utils.
UTILS dot. It is not taking this one. Oh.
U is small.
No. It is capital only. ARRAY utils.
Sir, ARRAS, RAYS, sir.
Just a minute. Change. Pardon?
Sir, ARRAYS UTILS.
Arrays utils.
Array only. Some problem is there. This we will discuss later. I think compiler problem or some method problem. Continue Balasubramaniam. Another example. This I will explain later. Remove an element. Remove an element of an array. Remove an element of an array. Suppose, just a minute, int array 1 equal to square brackets equal to open suppose 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 close semicolon. Next, suppose int square bracket, put mute Balasubramaniam, removed another array, removed. Oh, this one also that methods. Array, why it is not working? Array utils dot. Okay, Jyotirmai, this one also array utils. These two I will explain later.
Maybe we can try array util, not utils.
Not utils only. Utils only. Just a minute.
Do we need to import that java.util.arrays?
It is not showing now. Where it is showing?
No. I'm talking about the third line.
Third line.
Do we need to import that one? Import Java util.
Java util arrays. Just a minute. This is for this one. Earlier we used earlier arrays just a minute. Arrays dot array one semicolon. Arrays class we used earlier. Observe Preeti Joshi. You try to remove this one. What happened? Arrays predefined class na.
Yes, sir.
If you want to use that one, you need to import that one. And one more thing, we didn't import, auto import. Observe, Preeti Joshi.
Yes, sir.
Based on that Java compiler arrangement, some predefined classes can be imported automatically. When you try to use that one, then automatically imported. Suppose some predefined classes we need to import manually. For example, scanner class, you need to import manually. Arrays, you no need to import manually, auto import, but import is required. What is the problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Observe, one small problem is there in this array utils. I will check it. Anyhow, we discussed contains certain value, next print array, next length of array. I think these are enough. Okay. Meantime, I will explain these two also, but in real time, no use. Okay. Now, in the last chapters, we forgot one important concept. I think nowadays this one also limited use, but future point of view, I am explaining Java array list. Java array list. Observe Vijay Bhairappa. Vijay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Say
Yes,
nowadays,
sir.
say in my current project and previous project also, not only in these two projects, nearly I involved in 4 Selenium projects, including current project, and 5 UFT projects, total 9 automation projects. But I never used this Java array list. Rare use, but in future may be used. No, we cannot say it is a waste or useless concept. It is important concept, but rare use. Concentrate. Now observe, Vijay. Variables. already we discussed this concept. Variables for storing or holding data. You take any language, programming language or scripting language, you can find variables. In Java, array is object, but usage is variable like only for storing series of values at a time. I am just providing one case study. In UFT, we use VB script. Jyotirmayi having idea in VB script?
Little bit, sir, not much.
Okay, cool. Next important powerful script, Perl, Java. I'm comparing these three. Why? We use VB script in UFT. UFT is commutator of our Selenium. Next, Perl. Perl is powerful script. Powerful script. And one more thing, nowadays, some companies using Perl for automation. Not only Perl with Selenium, Jyotirmai. Only Perl.
Okay, sir.
Only Perl.
Only Perl.
Only Perl. No test tool required. How? Perl only recognizes objects. Say, Perl is open source scripting language derived from written in C language. Perl has so many built-in libraries, thousands or nearly 18,000 libraries. And one more thing, test simple and test web like modules available. By importing those modules, you can recognize desktop application objects as well as web application objects, separate modules available. Then using Perl language logic, you can write test scripts, test cases. Getting this point, Jyotirmayi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Basically, Jyotirmayi, automation two types. Nowadays, we are using tool. In tool, we are using again programming for enhancing test cases, for recognizing test. Observe general topic, interview point of also important. Nowadays, we are using test tools for automating test cases. In olden days, 15 years back, 20 years back also, automation was there. That time, test developers used programming and scripting languages for automation. C language, using C language, so many companies automated their projects 20 years ago. Using Perl language, 15 years back, so many companies automated, but difficult. Observe Vijay. Without any tool, so many companies automated test cases using C programming language, next Perl programming language, and Perl scripting language, and Python language also. That time, suppose if it is Perl, recognizing objects one activity, some built-in libraries available, next writing logic, conditional statements, loop statements, that is also. Nowadays, in order to reduce the complexity, test tools were launched. Nowadays, test tool, if it is UFT or Selenium or RFT or Silk test, they recognize objects. For enhancing test cases only, you can use programming. Okay, programming still there, but not completely. Only for enhancing test cases, not for recognizing objects. But in olden days, recognizing objects also by programming. Getting this point, Vijaya, or any confusion?
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay, now come. That's why I'm in olden days, so many companies used Perl for test automation. Nowadays, Selenium,
Java.
Java,
Yeah, Selenium.
next UFT VB script popular. That's why I'm comparing these. Variables, you know, variables, you can, variables are global features. You can find variables in every programming language and scripting language. Basically, variables are two types. Scalar variables, we just call variable, but correct name is scalar variable. What is scalar variable? It is for storing one value at a time. Value may vary throughout the program. Next, array variables. In C language, you can find array variables. In VB script also array variables. Array variables means for storing series of values at a time based on size of the array. But Java is object-oriented programming language. In Java, array is not direct variable. Array is object, but you can use Java array for storing series of values at a time as like C array variable and VB script array variable. Bhairappa, are you following? Pavani, are you following? Jyotirmay, nobody responding.
Following, sir.
Okay, cool.
Scalar variables.
Scalar variables. What is scalar variable? For storing one value at a time. Value may vary throughout the program. That is different. Here also scalar variables. Next, array. Array, just a minute. Array variables. Here also array variables. All of you put mute. Array variables. Vijaya, you follow me? Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arrays. Arrays. Here arrays are objects but purpose same. Next, third type of variables in VB script, in Perl script, hash variables. Hash. Hash variables. Another name of hash variables, associated arrays. Associated arrays. Observe, Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
In VB script, no hash variables. Hash variable is dynamic data structure. Only two types, but third type equivalent is there. What is the equivalent? Observe, Jyotirmai. I think
Dictionary object.
Dictionary object. Dictionary object is equivalent to hash variable or associated array in Perl, isn't it?
Yes, sir. In Java, it is
In Java,
array
it
list.
is array list.
Array list.
Array list.
You told it.
Array list. Okay, na? All of you put mute except Vijaya, some background noise. Put Jyotirmay, put mute. Smriti Pandey, are you following?
Yes, sir.
And one small this one comparison, Smriti Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Array versus suppose array versus hash variables, or nowadays what is that one? Associated arrays. Not nowadays, it is correct term only. Arrays. Or observe Vijaya. Suppose if it is Java, array
ArrayList
versus array single word
list.
array list. What is the difference? Observe Smriti Pandey. If it is array size is fixed. Array size is fixed. When declaring the array, we use that one. Array size is fixed, and static means we cannot change while execution. Next, array list. Array list is dynamic. And one more thing, Vijaya, array index. Array index system defined na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose index starts from 0, first item 0, second item 1, third item 2, like that. Suppose I don't want 0, 1, 2. We can't change. That is predefined. Suppose if it is arrays list, suppose I want 1 for 100, U for username, P for password. Yes, you can define index values also. Getting this point, Vijaya?
Yes, sir.
In arrays, user can define values only, not index, isn't it? Observe. Suppose, just a minute. str square brackets ABC equal to first define the size. Jyotirmai, define the array size without entering the values.
Yes, sir.
Second method, define the array size. Suppose create an array with size 4 with size 4.
Okay. Array square bracket int equal to 4. Array.
What is array?
Type.
Int.
Square brackets.
A
equal to bracket curly braces. New array.
You tell me, Vijaya.
New A of 4.
New A of 4. Any confusion, Jyotirmai? This is defining size. Any confusion, Jyotirmai? Second method.
No, sir.
A of 0 equal to 10. Suppose A of 1 equal to 200. Example. Next, A of 2 equal to 300. Next, A of 3 equal to 400. And observe 0, 1, 2, 3 are
first one is series.
indexes. Indexes na?
Yes, sir.
System defined. System defined, isn't it? Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Observe Smriti Pandey. 10, 200, 300, 400 are values user defined. Okana Jyotirmayi, suppose I don't want 0, 1, 2. I want A, B, C, D as indexes. No, we cannot define. If it is array list, you can define. That is the difference. Say, observe. In general arrays, user can define values only. System indexes, just a minute. Indexes are predefined, or you can say system defined. Next, in array list, user, just a minute, user can define indexes, index and value also. Index and value. Observe Jyotirmayi.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing. Array list. Array list is single word. Array list is dynamic data structure. Observe Jyotirmayi.
Yes,
here if it is general array, if you write A of 5 equal to some 450, what happened? What will happen? Error.
Yeah, there is no.
No, size fixed.
Only.
But here you can add or remove. You can.
So in array size is fixed.
In array list size not fixed. No, dynamic. You can add or remove elements. And one more thing, observe Pavani. Observe arrays list. Arrays list is predefined class na?
Yes, sir.
Array list is predefined class, or you can say library, that we have to import from java util package. Okay, all of you put mute except Preeti Joshi. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to give an example.
So the system defined, you mean to say predefined, right?
Predefined, both same na?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Predefined, okay. Predefined means already defined. By whom? System. System means in our scenario, Java compiler.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Predefined, system defined, purpose same, Preeti Joshi. Predefined means already defined. No need to define by user. Already defined, but by whom? System. System means Java compiler in this scenario. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
System means not operating system in this scenario. Java compiler. Okay. Now come example. You observe Vijaya also. Suppose array list L capital. You use your own name. Suppose ABC. You can use any meaningful name for array list equals to new array. Syntax common for creating this instance object instance of the class. Now observe Preeti Joshi. It is showing red color marking na. Take the
Yes, sir.
suggestion. Take the suggestion. Import array list. We already discussed. It is predefined library. Need to be imported from Java util. Why it is not showing array list?
Sir, I think we need open and curly braces after the array list.
Yes. I missed the syntax. Okay. And one more thing, you asked question, Preeti Joshi, that is also valid question. This time we imported that one manually. Sometimes we no need to import manually for some built-in or predefined libraries. They can be imported automatically if you try to use them. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Next, come here. Anyhow, in our test automation also, this dynamic data structure limited use, but computer programming point of view, you must know the static data structure means scalar variable and array variables or array object in Java and dynamic data structure array list. See, computer programming point of view, you must know what is static data structure and what is dynamic data structure. That's why I'm introducing in test automation, limited use or rare use. Observe, suppose ABC, follow the syntax. Observe Jyotirmai, you
Yes, sir.
just remember that dictionary object syntax as like dot add. For dictionary object also same na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose add Selenium. Oh, here I forgot one thing regarding this one. Index. Later I will check Jyotirmai. I think my mistake that one. Here, just a minute. ABC dot add Element. It is asking element. E for element. Element. I think this one index same only, but in I forgot that one. In dictionary object, Jyotirmay, you can define.
It says add index object element.
Element only. But in dictionary object, Jyotirmay, remember, you can define key and value pairs. Means key means index. Suppose
Index and object.
One not object. In dictionary
Element.
object, we can define index as well as value, but here value only. Observe.
Okay.
Yeah. I forgot that one. I need to remove this line. Array list dynamic data structure only. In array list, user can define this one. It's not correct. Here also, just a minute. In array list, user can define values dynamically. Getting? Jyotirmay, did you understand this concept dynamically? Vijaya?
Yes, sir.
Means you can add 10 numbers, 20 numbers, etc. But if it is array, size fixed. UFT. Next, suppose ABC dot, just a minute, ABC dot add, type add object element, suppose silk test, next ABC dot add of now observe Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
ABC dot get by index. Here index predefined only na. Observe Preeti Joshi.
Yes, sir.
Did you find that mistake? Earlier we discussed array list user can define indexes. No, user system predefined only. But in VB script dictionary object, user can define indexes also, and Perl script hash variables also user can define. But in Java array list, user can define values only, but user can add elements dynamically, not like general arrays. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion? Why you are saying in dull mood? Tell me. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, cool.
I have a small question. There are so many warnings it is showing. So do we need to solve those warnings or something like that? It is showing in yellow, right?
Yellow is not warning. Yellow is not warning. Red is warning. Yellow means you defined something but not used. That's why yellow.
Okay.
Suppose you declare one variable int a equal to 100. If you leave it, it will show yellow arrow marking. If you try to use that, just a minute, good question, just a minute. Sometimes it shows unnecessary marking also, leave it. But yellow marking, no need to worry about it. Suppose int a equal to 100. Observe, Preeti Joshi, a yellow marking na?
Yes, sir.
Why we declared a? Declaration correct or not?
It is correct.
But why it is showing yellow marking? You declared a variable but not used. Whenever you use that one, suppose if you are unnecessarily declaring, remove that one. Why burden for program like that? Observe a. Now it is removed now.
Yes, sir.
Why we are going to display that one? So that's why. Okay, na yellow marking.
Okay.
You no need to bother about yellow marking. What is the purpose of yellow marking? Whenever you define something and not used, that time it shows yellow marking. Whenever you use that concept, then it will remove. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, just a minute. Run the program. You are not. I am not getting Bhairappa. Try to increase the volume.
Sir, we can use any values, no, sir, like Selenium, like in a string, character.
Just a minute. It is not showing error. I am trying. In dictionary object, we can use different types of data. String type data, numbers, special characters, etc. Just I am trying. Just observe. Suppose index. Just a minute. Just a minute. SYSO control space enter. Run the proof. Observe. Vijay, good question. It is displaying now. Vijay.
Yes, sir.
It is accepting.
Yes, sir.
It is accepting. Yes, dynamic data structure of Java accepting different types of data, but index predefined only. In VB script also dictionary object accepts different types of data. If you want to pass that value, suppose int a equal to abc dot get 3. What's the problem? Why it is not passing to this one? abc dot get 3. Change type of a to object. Just a minute. Observe, Vijaya, here, new type of declaration, object. Observe in Java lang, built-in library, no need to import. The system.out.println and also system.out.println also available in java.lang package. This package only can be imported automatically in every Java program. Observe Bhairappa. Here we are declaring object instead of integer. Why? This value may be anything na?
Yes, sir.
Value may be anything. Isn't it?
Yes.
Just
Yes,
a
sir.
minute. Object B equals to ABC dot get 1 or get 0. Value may be anything. That's why.
Sir, when you are saying a value can be anything, do you mean to say string or number, something like that?
Yes, number. Already we used number now. Observe this third
Yes,
index.
sir.
Number. Then what is the problem? Just I will show. Just
Okay.
A, B, run the program. Observe Preeti Joshi. ABC dot add number we used. Suppose 1.23 is also, don't use double quotes. Next, ABC dot add suppose star string type data.
Sir?
Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Suppose first one 0 1 1 not required, 3 4 5. Tell me any problem.
Sir, just one small question, sir. When you are mentioning the ABC dot add, okay, what does that mean, sir? It is adding to the array?
Yes, adding to array list. Add is method. ABC is object.
Okay.
ABC is object.
Thank you, sir.
Here all good. Here also get is method. ABC is object. What object? Array list object. We created array list object now.
Yes, sir.
That is add is method. Then what is the problem?
Sir, for this, can we use the loop statement also to print those all the?
You print those all. You try that one. You try.
Okay.
You try.
I will try, sir.
C D. Observe Vijaya. Why we are using object here? Object for storing the data instead of using integer or string or something. Why we are using this one?
That can be any string or integer.
That can be any type of data. That can be anything. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Only object can store anything. Run the program. Observe Preeti Joshi. Accepting na number with decimal points. Next special character also.
Yes, sir.
And just a minute, one more method. ABC dot remove suppose first one by index remove by index. After this one you try to get that one. SYSO control space enter. ABC dot get index 0. Run the program. before this one, you try to use before this one. Before this one. Just a minute, make it as blank, make it as comment, source, add block comment. Observe Preeti Joshi also. Run the program. Wait. Run the program. What happened? Preeti Joshi, observe. This is dynamic data structure, na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you remove Selenium, what happened? What is the next item?
UFT.
Next item goes to that first position, na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you remove 0 and 1, then silk test will be 0th item. Getting this point? Adjustment is there, na? In that dynamic data structure. Any confusion?
Yes,
Any confusion? Tell me.
No, sir. I'm good.
Okay. And one more thing. Rare use. Remove all method. ABC dot remove all. Remove all. What is this one? It is asking. Just a minute. Remove all. Okay, I will check it later. Now, remove this comment. Source. Remove block comment. Now, run the program. Okay. Now, observe Preeti Joshi. Here, different usage. We are using, but still yellow marking na Preeti Joshi.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes actually after using any concept, that yellow marking will be removed automatically, but sometimes no. But no issue. If it is red color marking, then problem. It won't be executed also. Yellow marking, leave it. But here no unused concept. All are used only. Now try to understand this program, Preeti Joshi. Last concept for the day. I will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow new concept, Java, object-oriented programming, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation that we will discuss. First class, inheritance and polymorphism. Saturday class, that one, abstraction and encapsulation. Next Monday we will discuss. We will start Selenium WebDriver. And one more thing, in Selenium WebDriver, again we will use Java programming concepts. First we discussed Java separately, but in next module, not in next module, remaining classes, Selenium WebDriver, TestNG, and live project, we will use Java concepts. Now come Preeti Joshi. Any confusion? Observe. What is this ABC? This is array list. We are creating array list instance. Array list is predefined class. We already imported that one. That array list class available in util package under Java project. Next, this ABC is array list. Add is method. Available method on ABC object. This is element, parameter. Next, here get also method on ABC. Next, remove also method on ABC. And one more thing, here this array list is dynamic data structure. We can add or remove elements throughout the program. And one more thing, if you remove any element, then it will adjust elements. And one more thing, in array list, we can store different types of data also, but try to store any one type data, string or numbers or special characters, but no restrictions. You can store any type of data. In this ABC array list, I stored string type data, integer type data, next double type data also. Next, here I created object available in java.lang package. It can be imported automatically in every Java program. Here no import statement, that is built in. Observe this system.out.println also belongs to java.lang. Observe java.lang.system. Okay. In order to store or hold any type of data, we declared object instead of integer or string. This is the example for array list. Any queries, Preeti Joshi?
No, sir, I'm good. Okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Okay.
Sir, one question, Jyoti.
Jyotirmayi, ask me.
So these object A, B, C, D are the objects we are creating with integers.
Pardon?
Objects we are creating are A, B, C, D, right?
ABC. ABC. You want?
No, sir. In the top, you said ABC is the array list, right?
This is ABC's array list.
Array list. And in 16th to 19th line.
This one ABCD is package name. Leave it that one. Next.
Yeah. And in 16th to 19th, we are creating the object.
This object is different. This object is different. This is for storing scalar value. This object is different.
Okay.
And one more thing.
Okay.
Here, this out also object. Out also object in system class. That is different. See,
okay.
In a Java program, you can use n number of objects.
Okay.
Then what is the problem? Next, and one more thing. If you create object for this class, suppose Java methods ABCD equal to new Java methods, that is only one for every class with class name. Here we are using predefined libraries. We have n number of predefined libraries. Suppose in the same script, good question. Suppose in the same script, if you want to use input operations, create scanner object apart from ABC and other objects. Suppose if you want to work with flat files, create file object also in the same program. No issue. What is the problem? Different objects, purpose different. What is the problem?
Okay. No, sir, I got it.
Okay, cool. Tomorrow we will discuss object-oriented programming. Whoops, Java whoops. Before that, I am going to close the session. Ask me. First, Balasubramaniam. Any queries regarding this today's class? Java
No queries, sir.
methods and Java array list.
No queries, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Observe Balasubramaniam.
Yes, sir.
Java array list is dynamic data structure of Java. Using Java array list, we can store values dynamically and we can store different types of data also, but that is not the best practice. You try to store single type. You choose any type, any one type. Okay. Next, Vijay, any queries regarding this today's session?
No, sir, I'm good, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Jyotirmayi.
Good, sir. I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Pavani.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Preeti Joshi. Preeti Joshi. Okay. Sirisha. Preeti Joshi.
Sir, from 16th to 19th, I didn't get it, sir.
Here we are declaring object type, not integer type. This is one usage. This object is one type of declaration. It is new to you. In this class only I introduced.
Yes, sir, that is what.
Observe, Srisha. If we use int a, that is not correct. Why? Here different types of data. It may be different type of data. That's why I used object. Means this object is built in. This object is built in library. If you create an object, this A is object name. A is object name. B is object name. C is object name. D is object name. If we use object, it can hold any type of data. That's why I used object. Whenever you want to hold any type of data, irrespective of the data type, you can use object. Suppose if you want to store integer type data, declare integer variable. If you want to store string type data, declare string. String is object, but as like variable you can use. Here also object, but as like variable we are using this this A. What is the problem?
Okay, sir, I got that point. And why did we use this get, sir, here?
Get is method. Get based on index.
Okay.
We cannot argue that one. Add is there now. What is the purpose of add? Adding new element. Getting existing element. Suppose 3 means index 3. Already I told, I forgot one thing. Here in this Java ArrayList, index also predefined, but dictionary object in VB script, user defined index. Next, hash variable in Perl, user defined index. But here system defined only. Observe this Selenium 0, UFT 1, Silk test 2, 100. This is 3. Get 3 means it will return third item of that ABC array list. Then what is the problem?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Now I understood, sir.
Okay. Any other queries, Sirisha? I'm going to close the session.
No, sir. It's clear now. Yes, sir.
Welcome. Smriti Pandey.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Vijaya.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. See, we will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.